Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue working with the services. In this one we're going to start with get chat data, and so yeah, let's start with this one. So here in our hook, we want to, when we click on the test like channel, we want to like load the data, right? Get the chat data. And if we go to our chat here, we need to get the header. I mean, we need to get the token, right? Or set the header, basically. So let's start with that. Let's get the token. So start with that. Const token will be equals to local storage dot get item. And here we just put token, right? That's to set the token. And so now we have a conditional here. If props that head channel it's different than null, it means that we have data here in this channel. If it's different than null, then we call our get chat data, right? Oops. And get chat data takes an ID and a token. So the ID will be the ID of the test channel, of course. So props that test channel dot ID, comma, and now here we pass the token. Okay, so we get a response from that, right? So then response, and then we have our arrow. So now we set the chat. Props set chat data. If we go to server, we go down here to main chat. We have like set chat data. Okay. Set chat data, and now we can just pass the response results. Results, because remember that this response is paginated. So here's gonna be our results. So okay, we got that. Okay. So now we can after we have that, we can set here set data loaded true. Okay, because that means that we got data true. Okay. Yeah, that's it for now. Now let's save that, and then now here in our OL, this is, we're going to like map the results. So on top of the lead here, props that chat data, because this is where like the chat data will like map here. So map chat, and here we put this one like that, and then we copy these two, and then we put it here just like that. Oops, like this. Okay. Okay, so now this is going to map like here in our lead. So now we can change some data here. We can put the list sign a key. Remember, we need to assign a key when we map. So key will be chat.id. Here, this is the basically the a picture of the person sending a message. So let's put chat.user.profile that picture. Okay, that's basically the full path. Let's add a class name of is rounded. Put class name, class name, class name, class name. Okay, here too. Okay, we put the picture. Now here we can put yeah, just the the username, right? Let's put these up here. Let's put chat that username. Just basically to load the picture. Yep. And then also we can, and let's move this. Then let's put the small here. And then here we can put chat date. I think that's, yeah, date. Let's put this here. And so now we just put the body of the chat, right? Well, what the person said. So chat body. And if we have a picture, remember we can send a picture or a file. For now, let me just put picture. So source be chat that file. Of course, if you have a picture, if you have a different file, you will have to make like a conditional here that checks which type of file is like loading here. But for now, we're just going to leave it at file, okay? Okay, so we have the media content, it closed there. So let's add another div here. Class name will be media, right? Just like that. And we're gonna add a button here. Class name will be delete, right? And then here, let's put an ID, chat, oops, chat ID. And here we're gonna have our, like, basically the button to delete the message. But for now, we're gonna leave it like that. But we need to have a conditional here. We want to load this button if the user is an admin. So here we can check that. So props that it's admin, and in here we check if the person is an admin, it will load this. If not, will be just two empty div, just like that. And then here we just close our conditional. Very simple. You can put it here. Okay. Hope that makes sense. We're using our conditional operator. Now let's go to our admin here in chat, and let's import from chat the models. Let's import message. What I'm gonna do, we're going to create some like fake messages through the admin panel. Let's reload this. Now we go to, let's refresh this. Let's go to the admin panel, messages, and let's add a fake message by this user. Let's put test, and channels. I think let's just put in team one. It's save. Okay, we save that. So now let's try our loading. Let's check what was the error. Oh, with the query selector. Okay, let's go to main chat. Yeah, we haven't specified that, so let's just comment that thing there. Oops. Let me run this again. Let's rerun the front end. Let's comment. Make sure that you comment this query selector here. Okay, let's refresh. Control F5. Now let's click on team one. Let's check. Set chat data is not a function. Let's check. Oops. Props. We are here. Set chat data. So let's check server. Set chat data. Oh, we put props. So remember, for this one, we don't have to. So yeah, this is. So here in server, set chat data. Let me check. Let me check home if we put it right. Set chat data. So yeah, so we are right. So check server. Okay, set chat data. Let's go to server. Sorry, main chat. Props. Props shares chat data is not a function. Let's check here. Oh, why I keep opening now? So okay, let's check again. I probably have a set chat data. We pass this set chat data to the here. Now let's check server. Set chat data. Set chat data. Interesting. Okay, Let's check the home. Okay, so here it's fine. Set chat data. For some reason, it's now. Now let's check server. Let's go here to main chat. Okay. Props. Oh, I have a typo. That's why. I think. Let me check. Oops. Let's go to server. Yes. That's the problem. So here it's I have a typo. That's why it's not working. Okay. Beautiful. So that's the set chat data. Make sure you don't have a typo. That's why. Okay, let's run this again. I couldn't see the typo in that one. So let's refresh. Again, let's click on team 1. And as you can see, we're loading the chat here. As we're aiming, we're loading the button here too. So yeah, in the next video, we're going to basically work with the send message here in the bottom, and that's it. Yeah, sorry about the typo here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.